Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Mark, and I'm gonna be starting a YouTube channel on my 99 Silverado right here. It's summertime, and I plan on doing a pretty good amount of mods to it. Right now, we're out here at West Coast Wheels and Tires out here in Clovis, and we're gonna be getting some new rims on this thing. Right now, I got 22-inch chrome finals, and I'm just kind of tired of the chrome look, and get some new rims. I got these off Craigslist. They're used, obviously, so I'm trying to get me some actually new rims. So yeah, that's my truck right here, and we're gonna be adding a lot of videos showing the modifications we're doing to this thing. I do have a lot of things in the works. I mean, I do plan on doing a engine swap on it. I already have a motor. It's a 5.3. I already have it. I'm just waiting to buy parts to rebuild it. Interior, sunroof, freaking system, beat, everything, It's my project. It's gonna be my baby, So yeah, I'll show you guys the truck when I get the rims on, and we'll probably go get it washed, and then I'll unveil it to you guys. So, all right. Here it is, guys, back at my house, all washed, clean here, rims on it. It's crazy. Strata right there. Got the chrome lugs. I thought those would look better on here than the black lugs because I think they'd make it black. They even painted my calipers black at West Coast. I didn't ask them to, they did, but I was there for a minute, so that's pretty cool for them to do. Painted in black for me. Pretty chill. So yeah, if you ever need some rims or looking to change up the look, go hit up West Coast and Clovis. The main guy, Andrew, that works in the front there, probably hook you up. Came out clean. I fucks with it. Came out real nice. We'll probably do some rollers or something later, so I can get it all in the sun and get it all shiny but in the shade. It's crazy. Let's check that out. And excuse all the noise. They're remodeling my apartment right now. But yeah. Got stuff to come. Just got my center console lit in today, so we'll probably be putting that in this weekend. You can't probably do it, probably can't see in there. But you see right now, I have the old seat that doesn't fold down, so I have the new one in my grandma's house. So probably be there this weekend, filming, vlogging, getting that stuff in there. Gonna get some new crystal clear headlights. Those are all oxidated and stuff. So yeah, gonna be getting a bumper pad. I was debating on the bumper pad or that right here for the bumper pad, or a spoiler, the SS spoiler. Baby. If you was wondering, this is a 5 in the front, 7 in the back, and I got it done at right here at Stone Fab down in Clovis. Yeah, it's crazy. It's just I really like it. I wish I would have got my reaction, but I didn't. I was really surprised. It really changed the whole look of the truck and made it look crazy different. I really like this over the chrome.